continues pushing tool design forward with thoughtful upgrades built for real-world demands. From extended ratcheting wrenches that access deeper spaces with reduced effort, to compact modular kits that keep critical tools always within reach, this lineup prioritizes efficiency and control. Whether you're handling mechanical prep, tight installations, or routine service work, these tools are engineered to boost speed, comfort, and reliability exactly where it matters. Let's dive right in. First up, meet a genuine game changer for anyone who rides, the Wera Bicycle Set 1. Whether you're a weekend trail rider or a daily e-bike commuter, this 14-piece kit is ready to become your most trusted companion on the road. Everything lives inside a rugged, surface-protecting textile pouch, compact enough for a jersey pocket or saddlebag. At its core sits the iconic Cyclop mini-bit ratchet, drop-forged, full steel with a 60-tooth fine-pitch mechanism delivering just a 6-degree return angle. That lets you work in incredibly cramped spots where conventional wrenches simply can't go. 2 glass fiber-reinforced tire levers are included, and they click together so neither gets lost. One doubles as a Schreiner valve extractor. It's essentially a professional bike workshop compressed into the palm of your hand. Genuinely Wera engineering at its most portable. Next, here's a solution for the cluttered workbench you've been tolerating, the 9650 Magnetic Strip Kraftform Set. This isn't just another screwdriver collection, it's a proper organizational system. The magnetic strip is powerful enough to grab any metal surface, or you can mount it directly to a wall. Engineered clips hold every tool firmly in position, no more rummaging through drawers. 9 premium tools are included, featuring VDE insulated drivers for electrical safety and Wera's renowned laser tip technology. If cam out has ever frustrated you, the laser tip physically bites into screw heads to eliminate slippage. You also get the heavy-duty chisel driver, which comes with an integrated impact cap and pound-through blade for stubborn, corroded fasteners. It's a comprehensive all-arounder, combining high-speed ergonomics with professional durability, keeping your most used tools exactly where you left them. Returning to the cycling world, the 9532 Chain Riveter Workshop Set is a 20-piece dream kit for home mechanics who want professional outcomes. The centerpiece is Wera's chain riveter and holder, featuring exchangeable riveting pin capable of handling everything from single-speed chains to high-performance 12-speed drivetrains. What elevates this set is the inclusion of the Cyclop mini-bit ratchet and a rapid adapter handholder, creating exceptional versatility. A dedicated chain link plier makes opening and closing master links effortless. The set includes 89mm long bits with Hex Plus profiles, which offer greater contact area inside screw heads to prevent rounding. Everything is organized within a durable folding bag that keeps your workspace tidy and ensures every specialized bit for modern drivetrain maintenance is exactly where you need it. Now let's examine the 8010B Zyklop Comfort Ratchet, 3/8-inch drive precision done right. The first thing you notice is the 2-component plastic sleeve wrapping the handle. Beyond comfort, that coating actually shields sensitive surfaces from scratches when the tool makes contact with your work. The slim profile is ideal for those tight engine bay or machinery moments where you wonder how any tool could possibly fit. Inside, a fine-tooth 40-tooth mechanism delivers a short 4.5-degree return angle, letting you make progress even with minimal handle movement. The reversing lever operates smoothly with a single thumb, and the overall balance feels genuinely premium in hand. This is a tool conceived for long working sessions, where precision and comfort matter just as much as strength. Opening this set feels like discovering a compact tool case that keeps revealing more. The Kraftform Kompakt 100 fits 52 components into a textile case that somehow stays completely organized. Inside, you'll find a wrap adapter manual holder, a wrap adapter for power tools, 30 bi-torsion bits, 12 Impaktor bits, and 8 Hex Plus L keys, a combination that clearly covers manual tasks, machine-driven fastening, and contingency scenarios all in one kit. Bi-torsion bits absorb sudden load spikes during everyday fastening, extending their lifespan considerably. When drills or impact drivers are needed, the impactor bits step in to handle elevated torque. Hex plus L keys protect socket screws from wear during repeated maintenance. Color coding enables instant size recognition. The textile case stands upright and integrates with Wera Go systems. Though not VDE insulated, electricians regularly reach for this during mechanical setup and mounting phases. Though not VDE insulated, electricians regularly reach for this during mechanical setup and mounting phases. Though not VDE insulated, electricians regularly reach for this during mechanical setup and mounting phases. This is the tool that turns heads the moment someone spots it. The Zyklop Pocket appears small, yet merges a ratchet, screwdriver, and bit storage into one unified unit. It accepts 1/4-inch bits and 3/8-inch sockets via magnetic attachment. A 72-tooth ratchet mechanism inside delivers a 5-degree return angle, perfect for confined spaces. The head swivels and locks across multiple positions, enabling straight, angled, or T-handle configurations. 12 bi-torsion bits are stored in a rotating internal magazine, always accessible. This tool truly shines during service jobs where carrying minimal equipment is essential. Although uninsulated, electricians frequently depend on it for panel installation, rack work, and general hardware tasks. Despite its pocket-sized form, it covers a remarkably broad range of applications. This set delivers a smart way to reduce the number of spanners you carry without losing coverage. The Joker 6006 includes 2 self-adjusting double open-end wrenches spanning metric sizes from 7 to 19 millimeters and imperial sizes from 1/4 inch to 3/4 inch, replacing an entire stack of fixed wrenches. Parallel jaws grip fasteners firmly, minimizing slippage. Both ends feature a ratcheting function, enabling continuous rotation once positioned. The 30-degree return angle helps in tight quarters. While not VDE insulated, the set integrates well into electrical work during mounting and mechanical assembly stages. A folding pouch keeps everything compact. For professionals who prioritize efficiency and space, this kit is genuinely practical. This one enters problem-solving territory. The Kraftform Kompakt 900 resembles a standard screwdriver set, but conceals an impact feature inside. A hammer strike converts downward force into rotation, delivering up to 25 Newton-meters of torque to break loose stubborn screws. This proves especially valuable on seized fasteners or aged enclosures. The impact function disengages easily, allowing normal screwdriver operation. A hex bolster permits additional leverage with a wrench when necessary. Through-blade construction transfers force directly, minimizing energy loss. 18 hardened bits cover the most common drive types. This kit is not VDE rated, so it's intended strictly for non-live work. When fasteners simply won't move, this set saves both time and considerable effort. We close with something refreshingly straightforward. The Kraftform VDE 7 Universal 2 focuses on the electrical screws encountered most frequently. One insulated handle pairs with 6 interchangeable blades covering positive and slotted drives. At 157 millimeters, blade length suits most electrical panels well. Every component is tested to 10,000 volts and certified for use up to 1,000 volts. Color coding accelerates blade selection, and the handle remains comfortable through extended use. The lightweight, compact pouch suits apprentices and service technicians equally well. It may not demand attention visually, but for daily electrical tasks, it feels solid, practical, and completely dependable. The Toolcheck Modular Set 1 feels like the perfect everyday companion for service and maintenance work. This modular system consolidates a range of essential tools into one tidy set that stays adaptable and ready to go. It's built so you can configure exactly what a specific job requires and nothing extra. Inside, you'll find a thoughtful selection of drivers, sockets, and bits, covering the most common profiles encountered during installs and repairs. Modular holders make component changes fast and secure, reducing time spent searching and increasing time spent working. Every piece feels solid and is clearly designed for repeated daily use. Logical color coding and labeling on bits and sockets speeds selection when moving between fasteners. The compact case stays organized through long site days and integrates with accessory systems for simple transport. Not insulated for live work, but a reliable go-to for mechanical assembly, rack mounting, and general installation where versatility and speed matter most. When a ratchet set genuinely feels engineered for real work, it's this one. The Zyklop set delivers a robust ratcheting system with a well-balanced drive that inspires confidence the moment you hold it. Built around a 3/8-inch drive, the ratchet head features an intuitive direction lever for quick rotation changes without fumbling. A fine-tooth internal mechanism provides a tight return angle, allowing progress even in confined spaces behind panels or inside equipment housings. The sockets cover the most frequently used metric sizes, each snapping securely onto the drive to stay put at awkward angles. Durability is inherent throughout. Solid construction handles daily torque with confidence, while the ergonomic shape maintains hand comfort during extended use. A tidy storage rail keeps the set organized and straightforward to transport between jobs. This is a tool that consistently surprises people the first time they use it. Place it on a nut and it self-adjusts instantly. That single action usually tells the whole story. This is the Joker 6004 VDE set. 4 wrenches cover sizes from 7 to 19 millimeters and from 1/4 inch to 3/4 inch. No adjustments, no measuring. Position and turn. The jaws grip firmly, reducing slippage and protecting fastener edges. An internal ratchet mechanism enables continuous rotation without repositioning the tool. The 30-degree return angle performs well in restricted areas near bus bars or cabinet structures. Parallel jaw alignment protects plated surfaces, which matters on finished hardware. Every wrench is insulated and tested to 10,000 volts. It may feel unfamiliar against traditional spanners, but it quickly becomes fast and intuitive. For electricians regularly working gland nuts or mounting components, this set delivers genuine efficiency without compromising safety. This tool offers remarkable adaptability, functioning almost like a screwdriver multi-tool. The Kraftform Kompakt 20 RAR appears conventional initially, but reveals several intelligent features on closer inspection. 6 bi-torsion bits are stored inside the handle and always ready. The built-in ratchet accelerates performance during extended screw runs. A free spin function enables rapid turning when resistance is low. The telescoping blade reshapes how the tool behaves, shortened for deep recessed screws, extended for standard full-length driving, or removed entirely to serve as a bit holder for power tools. The wrap adapter chuck allows fast bit changes while keeping bits secure. This flexibility reduces tool changes and keeps work moving consistently. It's not VDE insulated, so intended for non-live operations, but for assembly and maintenance it proves extraordinarily versatile, a partner that adapts to the task rather than demanding you adapt to it. Here's another tool that immediately feels longer in hand, and that extra reach is entirely intentional. This is the Joker 6007. These wrenches extend beyond standard lengths, delivering increased leverage without added wrist strain, particularly useful when fasteners are seated deep within frames, panels, or mounting channels. One end offers an open jaw with a holding function. A metal plate with hardened teeth secure the nut firmly, preventing it from dropping during overhead or enclosed work. The opposite end carries an 80-tooth ring ratchet. The fine tooth count keeps the return angle exceptionally small for limited clearance situations. The dual hex jaw design reduces the working angle further, eliminating the need to flip the wrench. Chrome molybdenum steel with nickel chrome finish provides excellent corrosion resistance, making these tools well suited for construction sites and demanding industrial environments. Here we enter territory where precision becomes non-negotiable. The click-torque lock range feels sturdy and confidence-building once your target torque is set. Adjust the value, turn the fastener, and wait for the distinct click. That audible and tactile signal confirms the target is reached, preventing over-tightened connections or stripped threads. The range spans from compact 1/4-inch drives covering 2.5 to 25 Newton meters up to half-inch versions reaching 200 Newton meters. The torque lock feature is particularly noteworthy. When deactivated, the wrench operates as a standard ratchet, allowing you to loosen tight fasteners without stressing the internal torque mechanism. Select models also support both clockwise and counterclockwise torque application, adding flexibility during complex assemblies. Though not VDE insulated, electricians regularly rely on them for securing rails, housings, and structural elements before energizing a system. Construction quality feels professional and clearly intended for daily site use. The Joker 6007 communicates its purpose the moment you pick it up. That additional length is deliberate. This extended wrench set reaches beyond standard dimensions, providing greater leverage with less wrist strain, especially when fasteners sit deep inside frames, panels, or mounting channels. One end features an open jaw with a gripping function. Hardened teeth on the metal plate secure the nut firmly, preventing it from dropping during overhead or cabinet work. The opposite end carries an 80-tooth ring ratchet. That fine tooth count keeps the return angle minimal, ideal when clearance around fasteners is restricted. The dual hex jaw design reduces the working angle further, eliminating the need to flip the wrench. Chrome molybdenum steel with a nickel chrome finish delivers strong corrosion resistance, well suited for construction sites and industrial environments. And that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if this was useful, hit like and subscribe for more videos.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.